Scaling influencer marketing is messy. You have to manually search for creators, reach out to them, do a bunch of back and forth emails, and then track everything through spreadsheets. AMT automates all of this. We automate the heavy lifting and let you stay in control of your influencer campaigns. Let's have a look of how it works. I'm going to start by creating a persona. We just put together this persona by going back and forth about the kind of tone and style and audience that we're looking for with this creator. I also shared some sample creators, and now our agent returned to us a couple of different creators that we think might be a fit. So we're going to go over them and see if they're a fit. All right, looks like this creator is great. I like this one. Now that I've picked a couple of creators that I like, we're going to generate a persona. Our agent put together this persona based on everything that was discussed. You can always add sample creators to refine it further and tweak the little filters here so you can get the demographics just right. I'm going to go ahead and save this persona, and then I'll show you an existing persona so that you're able to see what it looks like once it's already live. So this is the persona that I previously created. Over here, we're able to see the description, the different filters that are put together, sample creators that are provided, and vetting questions. These are actually really interesting because we don't just source creators, but we also vet them. We make sure that they're a fit for your brand, and we use AI to do that. For all these creators that have been approved, you can see that we asked every single question that is important to the brand for every single creator. And the creators that we reject, they're rejected for clear reasons. So you have full visibility in terms of how we find creators. We don't just look at creators inside of a pool. We work with every creator on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. All right, now that we found some creators, let's go ahead and create a campaign. After putting in my basic info, I can connect my integrations. For example, we can connect with Shopify so that your creators can get a product shipped directly through your 3PL to their house. If you don't use Shopify, you can always use a Google Sheet as a backup. I'm going to be able to set which personas I want, what kind of creators do I want to target in this campaign. I'm going to specify what kind of content do you want using content packages. You can have an ideal content package, you can have a secondary choice.
And here you can set up usage rights. You can approach usage rights in flexible ways. We support both organic and paid usage rights that can be pre-negotiated upfront, clearly defined minimum and maximum durations. Alternatively, once creators have gone live, you can selectively request usage rights from those whose content is performing particularly well. In addition, if you're looking to scale paid distribution, we can coordinate ad code access for specific creators, enabling you to whitelist and run ads directly through their content.
I'm then able to configure our outreach to see how creators will be contacted by us. I'm able to configure it so that creators automatically get a discount code or a tracking link that they can share with their community. Once I'm happy with my campaign, I can finalize and get it started. What's really cool is that campaigns are fully self-serve and configurable to your exact needs. After setting up your campaign, we'll kick off outreach. But given that it might take a few days to get started and start seeing creators, I'm just going to open an existing campaign and show you what it's going to look like. Over here, we have our entire funnel of how creators go from vetted to outreach, negotiation, agreed. Let's take a look at an individual creator and see what that looks like. So this is one creator that we've partnered with, and you can see all the recent content, you can see some metadata here, and you can also see the entire conversation. All of this is auto-negotiated, auto-followed up, and all the emails here are auto-sent. You can always send an email yourself if you want to write a personalized message. All the communication you see here are based on the briefs that you provided. Whenever a creator asks a question or we're not quite sure how to answer, we put them into tasks. You can see all your tasks here, and you can click into a conversation to see exactly what the creator asked. Every single time you answer a question, We improve our model and our understanding of your product so we can answer it for you next time. You're able to tweak product information, content guidelines, communication, tone, even your signature. AMT acts as an extension of your team, handling conversations at scale. You stay in control of every partnership without having to manage every single message. I want to show you something else that we do: sponsored deals. You can see all of your sponsored deals in every creator. You can see the audience, including the audience proof screenshots, seeing their age distribution, demographics, and you can even approve creators in bulk. All of these creators have been pre-negotiated. They all are able to have a DocuSign signature, and they can have payments handled automatically through Stripe. We handle all that. All you have to do is you have to approve, or you can renegotiate, reject a creator. AMT also handles content review. Creators send you drafts. You can go through and see all of their drafts, including the different iterations. If they uploaded a previous version, you can go in and see the previous version that they uploaded. You can provide feedback or approve the content. And we give you the flexibility of doing this with a lot of content at scale. Once creators post content, you have full visibility into everything that they do. You can see the top performer content, metrics about how much content went live, metrics about impressions, sales, content going live. You can see every single piece of content that went live, all the metrics that you need, and also see if you have organic paid usage rights and the ad code. You can also see when upcoming creator partnerships will go live using the pipeline. With AMT, you'll discover high quality creators, launch and manage campaigns at scale. We'll handle the outreach, the negotiation, and the sponsor deals, and we'll help you review and approve content with ease. You can track performance across every single campaign in one streamlined flow.